Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Great job today at day one of the reading webinar. I want to walk through how to access this class recording page so everyone can start reviewing some of the documents and some of the things that we did in today's class. First, let me remind everyone, if you want to participate in the poster, you still have time. You have to submit it by Sunday. Remember, the competition, original name, 5 colors, over the top positive. You got to get it in the next 24 hours, okay? So everyone, try and do that if you want to do it. It's a lot of fun. Everyone is extremely creative. It's really nice to see your creativity. So submit a team flag if you can before Sunday, all right? All right, back to how to access this page, the class recording page. I just want to make sure everyone can do this. You go to GOHacademy, type into Google, GOHacademy.com, or type that in, GOHacademy.com. You get to this main page. From this page, you press on the button that says Resources. Press it. It's going to bring you to this main resource page, and you scroll down, and the fourth one down is for reading. The GOHreading class recording page is the link to the right. The link for the pre-workshop homework is to the left. Now the class recordings, this is the one that's open for the next 7 or 8 days till Sunday, November 13th. This is the one that you have to watch if you missed anything from the class by November 13th. So I'm going to press on the link, type in that passcode from your packet, from the class. So your packet passcode, type it in, gets you to this page. Everything from day one has been posted. I've added in a section on encoding or orthographic mapping here, but watch these sections here. Okay, like we didn't do concepts of print. You definitely want to watch that. These links should be very accessible, meaning like you should be able to press on the intro, and within a few moments, you might have to press a couple buttons, but you should be able to access a video of this fairly soon. I'm going to put it on mute. You could start watching that intro. And this gives teachers that might have, maybe you came late to the class or maybe you missed part of the class, but this gives you that opportunity to catch up, listen to something again. I have it on mute, but it does a pretty good job of capturing some of the ideas that we talk about. So if you missed anything from the class, I encourage you to work through these. You don't have to do all of them, just do the stuff that you missed, okay? Day 1 is up. Day 2 will be posted tomorrow. Day 3 will be posted after Monday session. I'm going to just add in tomorrow's class. I'll do those 2 questions real quick in the beginning of the class that we skipped over in word identification. I'll just add those in on day 2 so you have a complete packet of all the answered questions from packet 1, okay? All right, and the last thing I want to show you on this right here is this is the link for the pre-workshop, for the videos, and this is for the pre-workshop homework page. I'm going to click on this. This one is available at any time. There's directions here on how to use it. Explains all the stuff that's on this page. But there's also all those great documents like Put Reading First. And if you haven't read over some of these documents, they're all right here. I will talk about this in more detail. I just want you to know where to find this stuff. Like if you're like, where do I go to get Put Reading First? You click on that link, and here you go. Voila. You get the document to read over. So we'll talk about this more on Sunday and Monday. I just want you to know where it is. You can use this page. Use this page here to help you, and use the pre-workshop page to help you. All right? Okay, team. This is. I hope this stuff is helping. I look forward to seeing everyone tomorrow at 7 a.m. And make sure you submit your posters, your class flags. Okay? Thanks, team. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. This spring, GOHacademy is turning all the workshops into webinars. These classes are going to be covering the same material as a regular workshop. We're going to do them in 7 hours, and they're held on Saturdays and Sundays in the morning. I encourage you to check out a webinar. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful.